Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your OUKITEL WP300. So first we want to check our headphones. So if you're using the Type-C headphones for an example, then you can test them with another device and make sure that they're working. Also for this device right here, you can check the charging port for any visible damage or debris to see if that's the issue of the port or headphones itself. Now next, what you guys want to do is restart the phone. So this will resolve any minor glitches or issues. So just hold the power button right here. Now tap restart and click OK. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and try another pair of headphones. So if you got another pair of USB-C headphones laying around, then make sure to check them and see if it will rule out any issues with the original headphones. Now after that, what you guys want to do is go over, and this also goes for the Bluetooth headphones now. We want to check for software updates. So let's go to settings and scroll down to system, almost at the bottom, and go to system updates. Now here you can check for updates to double check if you have the latest version. If you do, then that's great, but if you don't, then make sure to update it. Now for the Bluetooth headphones, what you guys want to do first is turn Bluetooth off and on. So we're gonna go to connected devices, go to connection preferences, and here tap Bluetooth. Now we want to use the Bluetooth, we want to turn it off and turn it on. Now this should help if your headphones are already paired here. So you have them here, you can unpair them and repair them again. So this process is different for every single headphone. I cannot show the exact process, you need to find it. And now what you guys want to do is make sure that you charge your headphones fully. It's very important because if they are at like 50%, then there's a chance that they won't connect, but if you charge them up to 100, then they will connect without any issues. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.